Plumbers videos. My name's Alan Hart. Today's video is, this one's been sent in by Pete from One Plumbing, and I'm going to let, this can just be Pete's video. I'm not going to add any other videos onto this because I really like this video because Pete he keeps it real and he has a laugh and I really like I like the content that he sends in. So yeah, let's go over to Pete.
So I'm testing today and I've rigged up, we're on a building site. I want to test all my hot and cold pipe work, my heating pipe work. So I've rigged up a main to the main hot and cold and I've looped them in here. But I've got an unvented on this system, so I don't want to put 6 bar through the actual cylinder. So I've linked them upstairs as well. So these are linked here as well. The hot and colds are linked in here, in this installation. So what happened was the fitting there shot off. It was unsoldered. Yeah, so when I went to tighten it up there, it shot off. That's what happens when you've got an apprentice though.
You haven't got an apprentice!
Hey. Thanks. So I've linked up my Rothenberger pump to our filling loop, and the other side of the filling loop I've attached a bit of pipe which I'm going to fill the well of the pump with. I've already got 3 bar in there, but I want to test it to 6, so I want to fill the well up, continue. So I'm using 2 filling loops here effectively, because you have to fill the well up and then pump it up. So that is pumped to 6 bar. 6 bar pressure in the heating system now. And a word of advice: turn off the valves to your boiler or else it'll come out your BRV. How do I know that? So you then isolate. Here you've got 6 bar on your pressure gauge up there. It's probably a bit small, this pressure gauge, to do this test. But that was the one supplied with my Robo kit. You then isolate the heating off and then you depressurise your pump. And detach. So that is now sitting, and if that gauge drops, then I know I've got a problem. These hot and colds are joined upstairs. This is where I've joined them, in one of the bathrooms. So basically, the other side of this wall, the hot is being filled. That's being filled and it's backfilling and it's coming back down the cold. Yeah. But this part of the cold section is not going to get tested because at 6 bar the PRVs are going to let go. And I don't need that. So I've isolated the cylinder at the top and the bottom because that's a huge volume to pressurise up, which you don't really need to do because it should be factory tested anyway. So when you're doing pipe work, that's how I do it. And then, like I said, the mains here is rigged up. We're on the building site, as I said. Cold goes into the hot, it links upstairs where I showed you, and it comes back round on the hot, and then once that's pressurised, and then pump it up to 6 bar here. This is what I'm doing at the moment. So 6 bar, it's all isolated, we'll leave it there now. Testing at 6 bar, and that is a good water test of your pipes. So that was my morning, testing all the hot and colds upstairs, testing the heating all at 6 bar. The client's putting the underfloor in, which is fortunate because I hate doing underfloor heating anyway. I've just got to test and commission it. You probably notice in my videos I don't take myself too seriously and there might be some mistakes. Yeah, I'm just showing a bit of reality. It's not all like shiny pipes like Twitter and Instagram. I like to show a bit of reality. So there might be things that I do wrong that you might pick up on. Put it in the comments. It's good for our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.
I totally agree with Pete with the shiny pipes and all that carry on. It's not real. It's not real. People just do things just for show. In reality, you're not going to polish all pipes up and then put lagging on it. You're just not going to do that. You might clean off. Well, you will clean off any flux and solder and things like that. But when people are using Brasso and stuff and cleaning pipes up, it's just fake. As far as I'm concerned, it's just totally fake, and it just doesn't happen in reality. And trying to make people look up to people like that and then try and aspire to, you just won't get any jobs, guys. You know, this is reality is. The reality is that you won't get jobs, you won't get work, because you'll take too long on the jobs. So it's nice to see that shiny stuff now and again, but as I say, in reality, just clean the inside of the pipes. That's more important. More important than the outside is the inside, and just keep it real. And thank you, Pete. Thanks for sharing your videos, and thanks for keeping it real. Thank you.